Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. In this video, we will show you how you can program a 4x4 keypad using an Arduino. The keypad operates similarly to a matrix, such that in its grid system, each intersection corresponds to a specific key press. For example, if we pressed 1, we will get signal from x1 and y1. Or if we pressed 9, we will get a signal from x3 and y3. And as shown here, if we want to connect the keypad to an Arduino, we will use a minimum of 8 pins. However, if we have limited number of pins, what will be the solution? And this what we are going to do today. So, as shown here, we can control a keypad using one analog pin. We can use resistors that will be connected to the keypad, and then we just take the voltage difference. So to do that, I have the connection here ready. I just need to connect the keypad. Okay, so we did the following connection. So as you can see here, we used a 4.7 kilo ohms and 1 kilo ohms to connect the keypad to the Arduino. So after doing this connection, we will go to the program. We use the same program for the LCD as before. However, we included the pin, the analog pin that we are reading from, and a variable that we can save the number that we are getting from the analog pin. Okay, so first of all, let's delete this comment and comment the code here. Okay, so what we did here, we took the value, we printed the value of the voltage difference that we get to the LCD, so we can know each button represent which value. So let's first of all let's connect it to the computer. Okay, so after uploading the code, we will check the value of each button. So 1 will represent this number, 2 will represent 500 something. After documenting each value of each number, we can go, you can increase the delay so you can get the exact number that you need. Then we will use if statements to print the numbers that we pressed. So for the first number, we don't have a higher value than 1015, so we just put the value is greater than 1015. And then for the other numbers, we just use the range that we saw and printed the number. So let's delete the comment and comment this part. And upload the code and see if the thing works or not. So if we pressed 1, we get 1 0 star hash D A B 5 4. So the code works, everything is fine, and in the next video we will do a lock system using the keypad and the LCD. Stay tuned. Please subscribe and like the video.